So after every machine learning, after every concept, the feedback that you give is always important, because AI ने वो situation में भी हो सकता है वो कभी पहले देखा ही ना हो. That's a hallucination for AI. So हम जब उसको सिखाते हैं then human level पे आके, then yes, it becomes better.
If you want to take example of Google's image recognition model, like they had, they couldn't tell the right color of the people for, presidents of America. तो काफी ज़्यादा mistakes हुई थी even after these training. How do you think people fix it after doing mistakes? There's something called fine-tuning a model, something called retraining and recreating a model. So how do you think that these AI experts fix the mistakes in model?
So definitely the more the data, the better it is. There's a term these days called hallucinations. So hallucinations basically are things where कि model की knowledge भी limited है. Even if you provide 400 billion of data, etc., then also it's limited. Because world is very big and whatever humans have learned is out of the scope of AI till now. So hallucinations करने पड़ते हैं. For example, you have to tell certain situations कि अगर ऐसा example AI ने पहले नहीं देखा है तो make some answer from yourself, make something from yourself. So hallucinations are helping in these situations where people like हमें गलत आंसर मिल रहे हैं, but those गलत आंसर को, जैसे for example you have seen कि ChatGPT या Copilot that Microsoft has introduced, उसमें भी you have this feedback option. Every time there's a feedback option, they are fine tuning it human level पे आके. So after every machine learning, after every concept, the feedback that you give is always important, because AI ने वो situation में भी हो सकता है वो कभी पहले देखा ही ना हो. That's a hallucination for AI. So हम जब उसको सिखाते हैं then human level पे आके, then yes, it becomes better.
But feedback can be wrong as well. That's why there is a term called adversarial attacks. For example, like let's say there is an image recognition trained data for a self-driving car. Let's say in hundreds of stop signs, आप accidentally या intentionally उसमें green light की photo डाल देते हो in a training data of stop signs. Now, because of that green light in the stop sign, a car supposed to stop on a red light can go through it and cause an accident. So how do you prevent it? Like every feedback cannot be trusted. And is it called, by the way, supervised learning or unsupervised?
If you give the data to the model, it's called supervised. If you're telling it what to do, it's supervised. Yes, adversarial examples that you said, कि red light पे अगर हम गलत data दे देते हैं, so that's called optical illusion for machine learning, in terms of machine learning, कि हम उसको ऐसा कुछ दे रहे हैं machine learning को जिससे हम चाहते हैं कि वो mistake करे. But that's what I said, mistakes से सीख के, when you say no, this is wrong, then machine learning again takes it to the next level and say so I made this mistake earlier, but machine learning को हमने बताया ना कि नहीं, तुमने गलत बताया कि वो red light नहीं था. Somebody gave a feedback, right? There's a feedback to a feedback, or not?
True, I agree. But still, it can be hacked. For example, there are many open source models like Llama 3, which is revolutionary for software engineers. Like usme open source mein, like there can be many ways people can figure out an attack. There are so many dangers I can think of. So can you expand on the dangers and how people can fix it?
Yeah, so the biggest danger I see is in the medical industry, actually. So medical industry has this boom in AI again. People want to use AI in anything which is medical technology, basically. So if you see adversarial examples where false data is being considered true, in those cases, it will be very dangerous. So I don't know, researchers are still working on it. I don't have a particular answer to it because it's still in research. And yes, we are still very far from having adversarial effects on our machine learning models. It's still not that bad. But once it's bad, I think that will be like when people say, right, there's a limit to AI as well. So adversarial examples would be the limit to AI in future.